everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw, and today we have a special drawing. We are going to draw NFL football player
Tyreek Hill.
And who's Tyreek Hill?
He's a wide receiver for the Kansas City Chiefs.
Is he fast or slow?
Really fast.
He's really fast. What do they call Tyreek Hill? What's his nickname?
The Cheetah.
The Cheetah, because he is so fast. And we love football at our house, and we love the Kansas City Chiefs, Patrick Mahomes and Tyreek Hill. We're excited to bring you Tyreek Hill. Thanks for joining us on
Hey Kids Let's Draw.
Okay, everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. We are going to do Tyreek Hill for kids, an easy funkopop style drawing. So we got our black pointed tip markers. Kimball's got his. We're going to find the middle of our page, and we're going to do big chin here. And up. It's kind of a big horseshoe, huh? Nice work. Okay, and then we're gonna do a little neck down, down to a point. Okay.
Can I home plate in?
It does look.
In baseball.
It does look like a home plate. Good work. All right. So we're gonna do a headband. Actually, let's do some eyes. We'll do the eyes first. Since this is Funko Pop style Tyreek Hill, we're gonna do a couple of big round eyes, cartoon style, huh? Okay. And then above his eyes, we're gonna do kind of this arc, this rainbow shape. It's gonna be the headband. So we'll go, he always wears this Chiefs headband. We'll go connect that. Can you do that? Good. We'll go up, up, and do it again. A big arc to complete the headband. There we go. Okay, good job. Now, the Tyreek Hill's hair is kind of fun. It goes up, up, and then it shoots out a little to the side. And we're gonna go just kind of these rainbow shapes. Good job. All right, let's do some ears. Over on the side by the headband, we'll go out and down, out and down. And that's kind of the outline for the head right now. And we're gonna get a red, kind of an orangish red marker. I like the pointed tip. And we're gonna draw the jersey, okay?
Okay.
So starting right here by his chin, let's go down like that, and down like that. Okay. Now we're gonna do the torso. So he's got some big muscles, so we're gonna go down, over, and up, okay? Nice work. Now let's bring these over to the torso. These are the sleeves. Good job. Put away your red marker for a minute. Let's get the, go back to the black marker, pointed tip, and we will draw the pants. So right here's the waist. And we're gonna go little legs, because we're just doing a cartoon. Doesn't have to look realistic. And here's the socks. Here's the socks. And we'll do some big shoes. All right, big cleats. Here we go. One. One cleat. I'll wait for Kimball to kind of catch up there. Nice. Let's do the other side. And this is all right. couple of shoes. Should we draw the cleats at the bottom? Just for fun. That help the cheetah, Tyreek Hill, to run fast, huh? Do you think you could beat Tyreek Hill in a race, Kimball?
No, because he's older than me.
He's older than you. I bet you could. Anyway, let's draw the arm over here. Let's go. Here we go. This is going to be kind of a little bit challenging, but we'll start at the edge of this jersey. We'll go down to his elbow. Okay. That's kind of his muscle. Go out and out. So his arm's kind of pointing out. Now, do you know what Tyreek Hill does when he's so fast that he looks at his defender and he's like, "See you later, can't catch me"?
He does a peace sign.
What does that look like? Show us in the camera like this. Peace. Yep, he does. So we'll do a thumb. Okay. Start at the top of the thumb, go big up. Big over. And these kind of curve into the thumb. And a little circle. Yeah, that looks good. And these are his gloves because he uses receiving gloves.
The yellow one.
Yellow ones. We'll color those yellow in a minute. Okay, let's do this other arm. Down. The elbow comes out, just like this side. We'll have it come over here a little bit. And this hand, we'll do a thumb. This hand's gonna be holding a football. How's that?
And like Patrick Mahomes.
Yeah. He just caught a touchdown. So let's do a couple of circles. These will be his fingers. So circle 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You got it? Okay. So this football is going to come out of his finger into the thumb. Out of the finger and up. His thumb's kind of holding it. We'll do a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll color that in a minute. All right. So our outline of Tyreek Hill is coming along, right? We're gonna do some coloring. Let's get our red again. Get the pointed red. And we're gonna do his number. What number is Tyreek Hill?
10.
10. All right. So the Chiefs have a special way to write it. So we're gonna go over. Leave some space so you can see the white lettering, or the white number. Down. Down. Over. All the way down. Come over again. Up to the top. There's the 1. Now the 0 comes across a little bit. Angles down on both sides. Goes clear down. Angles down. Like that. And then the inside is just a rectangle. Okay? Alright. So there's the 10. We're going to outline that in yellow. Let's see, yellow and white, I believe. And then these stripes. Do a stripe. There. Alrighty. So, we are going to, oh yeah, Tyreek Hill also, we're going to hit fast forward and we're going to color this in. We're going to do black hair with some blonde bleach tips, because Tyreek Hill likes to bleach his tips. We'll color the headband black, skin, yellow gloves, brown football, leave the pants white, color the jersey red. Should we do the cleats red? Yeah. Okay, fast forward, here we go.